In front of me is REALME C3i, and let me show you how to activate emoji suggestion on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings and mark keyboard and input method. Here go to Gboard as it's your current keyboard, and now go to text correction. And here you will notice emoji suggestion, so unless it is active, just mark the switcher to make sure that emoji suggestion feature is on. And this is it. This is how you can super quickly and easily activate emoji suggestion in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.